Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying system-level audio so you aren't chasing browser settings alone. Check your OS volume mixer and physical mute keys. Unmute if needed. Next, open the browser tab running the Google service and look for a small speaker or mute icon on the tab. Click to unmute. Once done, confirm your output device is correct in sound settings and that the volume slider isn't at 0. This prevents obvious hardware or profile mismatches before deeper troubleshooting. You now focus on browser-level controls and Google-specific permissions. Go to Site Settings for the Google domain and make sure sound is set to Allow. This overrides automatic block rules. If extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools interfere, disable them briefly to test audio. Many block media autoplay. Once adjusted, clear site data or reset permissions to eliminate stale settings and restart the browser so changes take effect. This often resolves permission conflicts that stop sound from playing. You finish by isolating device or app issues and applying final fixes. Update the Google app or your browser and reboot the device to clear transient errors. Test audio on a different site or app to confirm whether the problem is Google-specific. This narrows the fault. If sound still fails, open a private window to bypass extensions and cache, then test again. If that works, re-enable extensions one by one. Troubleshooting tip: check the OS app volume mixer to ensure the browser's channel isn't muted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.